what, how. Exclamatory interrogative adverbs in English. Hello, language learners. In this video, we're going to delve into an exciting part of English grammar: the use of interrogative adverbs, how, and what, in exclamatory sentences. It might sound complex, but don't worry, we're going to break it down and make it easy to understand. Remember, language learning is all about practice. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotion or surprise. They usually end with an exclamation point. For example, "What a beautiful day! How incredible that is!" In these sentences, what and how are interrogative adverbs used in an exclamatory context. What is typically used to show surprise or admiration for something. It is often followed by a noun or an adjective-noun combination. Here are some examples. What a mess! What an interesting book! Notice that when using an adjective with what, we often use an before adjectives that begin with a vowel and a before adjectives that start with a consonant. How is used to emphasize the degree or manner of something. Unlike what, how is often followed by an adjective or adverb, not a noun. Here are a few examples. How beautiful! How quickly you finished the task! Remember, when how is used in this way, it emphasizes the quality or characteristic of something or someone. Now, let's do some practice. Try to create your own exclamatory sentences using what and how. It's okay if you make mistakes. That's how we learn. Practice is key when mastering the use of what and how in exclamatory sentences. There you have it, learners. Now you're more familiar with using how and what in exclamatory sentences to express strong emotions or surprise. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for joining us today, and until our next video, happy learning!